आप यहाँ कब से हैं? How long have you been here?
How long have you been here?
तुम ऐसे क्यों चल रहे हो? Why are you walking like this?
Why are you walking like this?
मुझे रोज इसे करना पड़ रहा है. I am having to do it every day.
I am having to do it every day.
तुम क्या कर सकते हैं? What can you do?
What can you do?
इस बार कोई गलती नहीं होगी. Promise there won't be any mistake this time.
Promise there won't be any mistake this time.
इतनी मोटी औरत मैंने कभी नहीं देखी. Such a fat woman I have never seen.
Such a fat woman I have never seen.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything could happen.
Anything could happen.
तुम्हें इसे राज रखना चाहिए था. You should have kept it secret.
You should have kept it secret.
कौन जानता है? Who knows?
Who knows?
वो भाग गया तो? What if he runs away?
What if he runs away?
मैंने तुम्हें कहीं देखा है. I have seen you somewhere.
I have seen you somewhere.
जो कोई मुझे जानता है, मुझसे प्यार करता है. Whoever knows me, loves me.
Whoever knows me, loves me.
वो तुम्हें धोखा देने की सोचता है. He intends to cheat you.
He intends to cheat you.
एक आदमी सड़क के पार खड़ा था. There was a person standing across the road.
There was a person standing across the road.
यह वही लड़का है जिसकी मैंने सहायता की थी. He is the boy whom I helped.
He is the boy whom I helped.
क्या किया जा सकता है? What can be done?
What can be done?
जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूंगा. I will do whatever I feel.
I will do whatever I feel.
तुम्हें कुछ करना पड़ेगा. You will have to do something.
You will have to do something.
चिंता की कोई बात नहीं है. Nothing to worry about.
Nothing to worry about.
तुमने उससे कब से बात नहीं की? Since when have you not talked to him?
Since when have you not talked to him?
क्या तुम इंतजार नहीं कर सकते थे? Couldn't you wait?
Couldn't you wait?
मैंने इसे कहीं देखा है. I've seen her somewhere.
I've seen her somewhere.
तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me earlier?
Why didn't you tell me earlier?
पहला झूठ यह है कि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता. The first lie is that I don't lie.
The first lie is that I don't lie.
क्या मैं आपके साथ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit with you?
May I sit with you?
समय कितना बदल गया है? How changed the time is?
How changed the time is?
जब भी जरूरत हो आप मुझे फोन कर सकते हैं. You can call me whenever you need.
You can call me whenever you need.
तुम्हें जितना वक्त चाहिए ले लो. You can take as much time as you want.
You can take as much time as you want.
क्या कहते हो तुम? What do you say?
What do you say?
वो अपनी बीवी से छुटकारा पाना चाहता है. He wants to get rid of his wife.
He wants to get rid of his wife.
अब हम यहाँ और नहीं रहेंगे. We won't live here anymore.
We won't live here anymore.
तुम अपनी हद पार कर रहे हो. You are crossing your limits.
You are crossing your limits.
पुलिस ने उसकी कार जब्त कर ली. The police confiscated his car.
The police confiscated his car.
कुछ खाने के लिए ले लो. Get something to eat.
Get something to eat.
चलो एक साथ लंच करते हैं. Let's have lunch together.
Let's have lunch together.
मुझे आपसे कैसे माफी मांगनी चाहिए? How should I apologize to you?
How should I apologize to you?
तुम इतना क्यों खाते हो? Why do you eat so much?
Why do you eat so much?
उसे मेरी मदद की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. She no longer need my help.
She no longer need my help.
तुम वैसे ही निकले जैसा मैंने सोचा था. You are just what I had thought you were.
You are just what I had thought you were.
मम्मी मुझे टीवी नहीं देखने देती. Mom doesn't let me watch the TV.
Mom doesn't let me watch the TV.
तमाशा मत करो वरना मैं तुम्हें पीटूंगा. Don't create a scene, or else I'll beat you.
Don't create a scene, or else I'll beat you.
क्या वो मैं ही हूँ? Is that really me?
Is that really me?
दिख नहीं रहा है. That's not visible.
That's not visible.
मुझे बोलने दीजिए. Let me speak.
Let me speak.
जब से मैं उससे मिला हूँ मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही. Since the time I have met her I couldn't sleep.
Since the time I have met her I couldn't sleep.
मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि तुम्हें ऐसी गलती नहीं करनी चाहिए. I mean to say that you should not make such mistakes.
I mean to say that you should not make such mistakes.
क्या आप हमसे सहमत हैं? Do you agree with us?
Do you agree with us?
अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to your studies.
Pay attention to your studies.
यह लीजिए खाना. Here is the food.
Here is the food.
वो कितना धीरे चलता है. How slow he walks.
How slow he walks.
ऐसी बात मत बोलो. Don't say such a thing.
Don't say such a thing. Say such a thing.